Rewards. What are they and how do you get one? Well, in my Dream Queen program, we set that up. We set it up so that you do get rewards. You know, I just finished doing the content calendar for June. And as a reward, I was like, what am I going to do? I don't believe that food is a reward. No, that's sustenance. That's nurturance. That is not a reward. And if you have no home, you're not buying artwork or that kind of thing. So how do you reward yourself? And then I stopped by my earring collection to put on earrings and I went, oh, I'm all about wearable art, because when you have no casa and you realize that food is not a reward, it's a necessity, then what happens is you go, oh, what else is there? And there is wearable art. So I solved my problem about, whoa, how am I going to reward myself for finish this project that I just did? Well, because I love earrings and because they're portable and small, I'm going to set out in the next few days to reward myself with that. So what are rewards for you? You know, most often we go through life and we do the dishes, we do the laundry, we wash the floor, we get the kids' nose clean, we do all of those things, and we forget to take time and reward ourselves. So I'm going to offer you two rewards. I'm going to offer you the opportunity to spend June 22nd with myself and Mary Anderson, the founder of Ecstatic Dance Seattle, and Shaman Weaver Sheila Baker, the founder of Shaman Weaver, because for me, weaving it all together has always been my way. So I have a degree in dance movement therapy. I am a registered nurse. I am a children and family therapist. I was a couples counselor for a while. I have a shamanic practice. So I have a varied way of bringing healing to you. And my basis is something that Mary also uses. We both do shamanic journeys because we believe that they're therapeutic. We believe that they're life enhancing, and we believe that it's a way that spirit can talk to us. So, June 22nd, we're going to do a shamanic journey. We're going to spend time in nature. We're going to have a yummy lunch because Mary's a fantastic cook. And then we're going to take time to share our journeys. Because when we journey, one of the beautiful things is that my journey has a lesson, because I ask to be shown something. And when you ask, you receive a lesson. When you understand that lesson, you have the ability to heal something. So we will look at that. We will discard all that no longer serves us and throw it in the fire in a ceremony. So join me. Give yourself this as a reward to have a sister's summer solstice. So this time it's for the girls. All right. So I hope that I have provoked you to think about rewarding yourself. When we go through life of the have-tos, then sometimes we can feel resentful and angry and block our own joy and bliss. So let's rise above the storm. Let's learn to journey. Let's use those loss journeys as therapy so that no matter what happens to you, no matter what you lose, what gets stripped away from you, that you understand that your bliss, your passion, your purpose comes from within, and it deserves you to reward it. So, are you ready to take that step? Let's bring it home. Awesome. All right. So let's give away some love so we can get some. You know, one of my guiding beliefs is that what you put out into the universe comes back to you 3 to 10 times. So I believe, I hold this in my heart of hearts, that I am love. So I do my best to act like that all of the time, and I reward myself by allowing others to love me. So first of all, let's energize our hands. Let's not be afraid to love. Let's not be afraid to say hello, good afternoon. It's one of the joys of being in Mexico. In the morning, you would say buenos dias. In the afternoon, buenas tardes. And in the evening, buenas noches. And so, you know, sometimes I would get the afternoon and the evening mixed up, but we would just laugh. All right, energize your hands. Put your hands on your heart. Better to say hello than to let someone go without a smile. All right, so I open freely and fully to give, accept, and embrace all the good the universe has for me. One more time. I open fully and freely to give it away, give it away, give it away. Accept, make big old bowls with your hands, and embrace, put it in your heart. All the good the universe has for me. One more time. I open fully and freely to give, accept, and embrace all the good the universe has for me. Namaste, aho, bliss, and in case no one has told you so far today, you are amazing. Thank you for being here. If you're watching the replay, blessings on you. And you can book a free consultation with me to see where it is that you're blocked. Where are you stuck? It's free. It's 45 minutes, so we have a nice amount of time to dive deeply into where you are, where you want to be, and what's stopping you. And then we see if I have anything in my toolbox of spiritual goodies that can help you. All right, everyone, have a fabulous rest of your day. Blessings, aho, namaste, mwah, and I'll see you. I love you. Bye-bye.